Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 rose 0.3% to 10,436.22. In Europe, the CAC 40 fell 0.23% and the Drax declined 0.34%, as investors continue to assess geopolitical developments and reports of efforts to extend the Iran ceasefire. In the United States, the Nasdaq edged 0.01% higher, while the S&P 500 was broadly unchanged, reflecting a cautious trading environment. In company news, Asda has partnered with Ocado to strengthen its online grocery operations through Ocado's fulfilment and automation technology. Meanwhile, power generator Drax has taken commercial control of its first 299-megawatt gas-fired plant at Hirwaun in Wales, expanding its flexible generation portfolio. Against sterling, the US dollar, Swiss franc, euro, yen and Australian dollar all traded lower, while Bitcoin rose 0.3%. In commodities, copper fell slightly, while gold gained 0.4%. Brent crude fell 0.78% and natural gas rose 0.55%. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.